Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about how to insert the image in Microsoft Word and make it transparent. So I'm going to show you the two methods that you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so let me start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are, and I have opened Microsoft Word application. So the first method, for if you're using the old Microsoft Word applications, so what you need to do, just go to the insert here, and under the go to the shape, click on this rectangle and just draw the rectangle, the size. Okay, just make sure you take the your desired size. After, just click on it, go to the shape outline and make sure no outlines. Now again, go to the shape fields and go to the picture. Now we need to insert the picture from our computer. Just click on it. Okay, so I take this picture, click on this picture which you want to insert, and click on insert button. Now here you can see, make sure you can change your desired height and width. Okay, and then just click here and lock the aspect ratio and click OK. Now you can resize the size with image and shape. Okay, because we already locked ratio. Okay, now what you need to do, just click on it, just click on image, right click on it and go to the format shape. Here go to the this option which is fill and line. Go to the fill, and here you can see the transparency. Just minimize or maximize the transparency, so you can see the image has been transparent now. Okay, so if you want to write something and you keep the behind this text, you can keep it. Okay, you can also make sure that, okay, there is an option which you can keep this image behind of text and front of text. Okay, so it will be useful to more editable. Okay, so it is useful to, if you want, you can use it. And another method is, if you are using the new Microsoft Word application, then this is the very simple process. Go to the insert again, go to the picture, and same here, you need to just take the picture from your computer, click on this and click in front of text, or you make sure you change as per your requirement. You can also crop the image if you want. Just click on image, go to the picture format. Here you can see the crop option. Just click on this crop line and hold it and drag the ratio as per your requirement, then click outside, it will be cropped. Now same option, just click on the image. We need to go on same option which is format picture, and here go to the image and go to the image correction. Sorry, go to the picture color, and here see, one second, the crop. Okay guys, so my Word document is a old version, so I don't have option here. So you can see, if you're using the new Microsoft Word, then you can see the option here which is picture transparency. Just expand like this, and you can see the option like picture transparency. Then you can minimize or maximize the transparency like this. I don't have this option because I'm using the old one. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.